provinces in the Philippines. I don't know how many, believe or not, 81. Abrakalinga, Aurora, Laguna, Maguindanao, Ifugao, Isabela, Aklan, Ibasilan, Sulok, Bilira, Lite, Cagayan, Bulacan, Palawan, Batanes, Batangas, Bohol, Gibaras, Agusan na Norte, Agusan na Sur, Cabis, Cavite, Bataan, Masbate, Ilocos, Nate, Ilocos, Tarlac, Tawi-Tawi, Cebu, Sarangani, Camarines Norte, Sorsogon, Alas de la Valles, Quezon Navales, Camarines Sur, and Bukidnon, Sambugas na Ibugan, Elis, Norte Des Pampanga, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, and Camiguin. These are the Philippines provinces. Can we Pinoy? This be one. Oh, mabuhay! These are the Philippines. Nandun lang. Bye, guys. Bye, bye, bye. Bye. Alam ko yung lahat. Kaya niya. Nice. Bye.
Ano ba, nakiyari na naman.
Bye. Sabi ni bye eh.